Are you searching for the exact location of the fuse box in your 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E? Wondering which fuses control critical functions and how to easily access them? In this guide, we'll break down the fuse box diagram and show you where to find them in your Mustang Mach-E, making fuse maintenance simple and hassle-free. Underhood fuse box. The underhood fuse box in the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E is located in the front motor compartment on the passenger side. To access it, simply open the hood and locate the rectangular fuse box cover near the front of the vehicle on the right side. The cover can be removed by releasing the tabs, providing access to the fuses controlling various electrical components of the vehicle. Battery fuse box. The battery fuse box in the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E is located under the hood on the driver's side near the front motor compartment. To access it, open the hood, find the rectangular fuse box cover on the left, and release the tabs to lift it off. Inside, you'll find essential fuses that control various electrical systems, including those related to the high-voltage powertrain. Body control module, fuse box. Body control module fuse box in the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E is located inside the cabin, typically under the dashboard on the driver's side. This location allows easy access for managing and maintaining the vehicle's body-related electrical systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.